Namaste, my name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you time study and subject name is dairy plant management. Discipline is food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic. What is work measurement? Work measurement is also known as time study. Work measurement is absolutely essential for both the planning and control of operations. Without measurement data, we cannot determine the capacity of facilities, or it is not possible to cure delivery dates or costs. We are not in the position to determine the rate of production and also the labor utilization and efficiency. It may not be possible to introduce incentive schemes and standard costs for budget control. Then objectives of work measurement. The use of work measurement as a basis for incentives is only a small part of its total application. The main objectives of work measurement are to provide a sound basis for comparing alternative methods, then assessing the correct initial planning and control, realistic costing, financial incentive schemes, delivery date of goods, cost reduction and cost control, identifying substandard workers, training new employees. Then techniques of work measurement in production management. For the purpose of work measurement, work can be regarded as repetitive work and non-repetitive work. In repetitive work, the type of work is in which the main operation or group of operations repeat continuously during the time spent at the job. These apply to the work cycles of extremely short duration. In non-repetitive work, it includes some type of maintenance and construction work where the work cycle itself is hardly ever repeated identically. Various techniques of work measurement are time study, that is stopwatch technique, synthesis, work sampling, predetermined motion and time study, analytical estimating. Time study and work sampling involve direct observation and the remaining are data based and analytical in nature. Time study, a work measurement technique for recording the times and rates of working for the elements of a specified job carried out under specified conditions and for analyzing the data so as to determine the time necessary for carrying out the job at the defined level of performance. In other words, measuring the time through stopwatch is called time study. Then synthetic data, a work measurement technique for building up the time for a job or pans of the job at a defined level of performance by totaling element times obtained previously from time studies on other jobs containing the elements concerned or from synthetic data. Work sampling is a technique in which a large number of observations are made over a period of time of one or group of machines, processes or workers. Each observation records what is happening at that instant and the percentage of observations recorded for a particular activity or delay is a measure of the percentage of time during which that activity's delay occurs. Predetermined motion time study, a work measurement technique whereby times established for basic human motions are used to build up at the time for a job at defined level of performance. The most commonly used PMTS is known as methods time measurement. Analytical estimating is a work measurement technique used being a development of estimating whereby the time required to carry out elements of a job at a defined level of performance is estimated partially from knowledge and practical experience of elements concerned and partially from synthetic data. Work measurement techniques in operation management and their applications. First technique is time study. Application is short cycle repetitive jobs and widely used for direct work. Unit of measurement is centiminute. Second technique is synthetic data and application is short cycle repetitive jobs. Unit of measurement is centiminutes. Third technique is working sampling and application is long cycle jobs and heterogeneous operations. Unit of measurement is minutes. MTM technique, application is manual operations confined to one work center. Unit is TMU, and then analytical estimation technique, application is short cycle, non-repetitive job. Unit is minutes. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.